I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play dreams on drums. First, establish the foundational beat. Begin with a consistent kick drum on all 4 beats, creating a solid pulse. Next, integrate the snare drum on the 2nd and 4th beats, providing that classic backbeat feel. Finally, add the hi-hat, playing steady 8th notes to maintain the song's driving rhythm. This forms the core groove. Moving into the verse and pre-chorus, we'll build upon our basic beat. Keep the kick drum strong on all 4 beats and the snare on 2 and 4. For the hi-hat, try opening it slightly on the end of the 4th beat, adding a subtle lift. You can also incorporate soft ghost notes on the snare drum between the main backbeats, enhancing the groove's depth and feel. This creates a more dynamic sound. For the chorus, we want to elevate the energy. Transition from the hi-hat to the ride cymbal, playing a consistent 8th note pattern for a brighter, more expansive sound. Increase the power of your kick and snare hits to match the song's build-up. Consider a simple, 4-beat drum fill, perhaps involving the tom-toms, to transition smoothly into the next verse or bridge, adding excitement. As we approach the bridge, often the song's emotional peak, consider returning to a slightly more subdued hi-hat pattern, perhaps with a closed sound. Use a crash cymbal to punctuate the start of the bridge and other significant transitions, adding impact. For the outro, gradually reduce the volume and intensity of your drumming, perhaps ending with a final, sustained crash or a simple kick-snare pattern that fades out gracefully. This provides a satisfying conclusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.